test things. Welcome to my channel. My name is Jackie, and I'm here to show you
You're good. Right. Hello, my name is Jackie, and I'm an artist at King Street Artworks. I'm going to be running a clay workshop where we'll make a simple form using a flat clay slab and a template. Templates made of a durable material like builder's paper become a tool for forming a flat shape into a round form. Templates can progress. They can be very simple or they can be more complicated. We'll start with a cone, a really simple but useful shape. And once you've mastered the basic cone, that's when the fun really starts. You'll be able to think creatively about your surface design, and you'll be able to make repeatable forms like these coffee cups and composite forms like these.
Yeah.
So come into King Street Artworks and join me in this workshop.
And it chases me day and